If you're a video editor, congratulations. You'll be soon replaced by AI. Nah, just kidding. AI is gonna replace you, but the efficiency is like still like at 70% or 80% at the moment. But it's not gonna replace you unless you stop using AI. So I just came across a very amazing GitHub repo and skill that I'm using personally for myself. You just need to drop a footage in a folder, okay, and type a simple sentence like like a paragraph, okay, what the video is about, and then you need to install that skill because I have already did mine. Then let it do the entire procedure, all editing, the timelines, the captions, the transcribe. Like even if you are speaking in a different language, like I speak mainly like 3-4 languages, but if I'm speaking in my main Urdu language, it's automatically transcribed to another one and give me a perfect stuff. So this GitHub repo name is video use. Like how amazing, like how many people have utilized and take benefit of this, and I think you're still missing out. Come on, you need to try it. So it turns Claude Code into a video editor. It will automatically check all the frames and eventually replace and cut, do all the animations, transitions, captions, and give you a perfect output back. Then it watches its own output back. Okay, you just need to install one skill that it calls, sometimes we call it loop prompting, or sometimes we call it critical loop. Like it's a looping procedure to let Claude, to enable Claude to check like what its output and give it a score. Like, is it good? Is it good for social media? Is it good for engagement or viral hooks or all that? And then it revamps and give you the perfect output back. So you just need ffmpeg and ElevenLabs, okay, and rest you need Claude, or obviously you need a membership. Max membership is good. Logs, like you can check out my Instagram. I think I'm doing all my videos using the same procedure, using multiple repos, but this one was next level. So this GitHub repo is quite early. Like I don't see any tag, any more contributors over this. So you're not late. You're quite early. So I want you to go ahead and try this GitHub repo, and then let me know how it goes. You can even tag me of the videos you will edit using this GitHub repo.